I'm Elsa Thompson with the answer to last week's mystery bird call. The northern cardinal. And this is a bird that, along with the English robin, is the bird found on holiday cards. It's the seminal image for a Christmas bird. No poking, no, not seminal. Not seminal, that's a different thing. She's been reading a lot up on Florida because so many of her friends went to Florida this winter. Anyway, this week's mystery bird call is a little bird that can be found vocalizing in the evening. And here we go.